Powdered sugar mixed with baking soda can work for ants, but used poorly, it can attract other pests. A targeted application means placing a tiny pinch of the mixture only where ants trail or inside a sealed bait station so non-target insects are not invited. Use 1:1 proportions by volume so the powder stays fine and adheres to ants, and prepare fresh batches rather than leaving exposed powder for days. Keep the bait out of reach of children and pets by using small containers with narrow openings or folding a paper cone to limit access. Monitor the bait every day for 3 to 5 days and remove any remaining mixture once activity drops to avoid creating an open food source for roaches, flies, or pantry moths. If you see secondary pests, sweep or vacuum the area thoroughly, wipe surfaces with a mild detergent, and discard the vacuum bag or empty the canister outdoors. For persistent ant problems, consider combining baits with non-chemical measures like sealing entry points with caulk and reducing moisture that attracts ants. Common mistakes include spreading the mixture broadly across counters or floors, which simply provides a buffet for other insects. Keep applications microscopic and localized and clean up any spills immediately. Another issue is leaving bait out indefinitely, which lets the sugar grow mold or draw rodents. Check the bait daily and remove it after activity stops. People sometimes assume powder alone will eliminate a colony quickly, but slow-acting baits require patience and follow-through. Continue monitoring and complement baits with exclusion and sanitation. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors and share project experiences, so you can weigh options after trying a do-it-yourself remedy. We also help contractors find work and participate in our discussion community, where neighbors exchange tips, ask questions, and report outcomes.